السلام عليكم أبنائي بناتي الطلبة. هذه الرسالة الثالثة المصورة and it's going to be in English. Now, some of you are expecting the story, to tell you the story of the orientation on the third message, but that's what I promised you in the second message, but I lied. I'll tell it later. Anyway, some of you are wondering, what do we do? What is the best thing to do? Well, the best thing to master a language is to practice a language. Language learning is a skill. You only, as they say, practice makes perfect. How do I practice the language? Well, speak the language. مع منه دكتور فشلة. What do you mean فشلة? Come on, you chose actually to learn English. Therefore, you need to practice the language that you chose to specialize in. Makes sense, doesn't it? Why would you specialize in computer science, for example, but you don't want to touch a keyboard? It makes no sense, right? So, why do you want to be a football player, but you don't want to touch a ball? You want to specialize in English, but you don't want to speak English. That makes no sense at all. And it doesn't, take a genius to figure out that, practice makes perfect. So how do I practice it? Well, as I said, speak it. Speak it and, just with whoever you can speak it with. There are a lot of people who speak English in Kuwait. What if I don't find anybody to speak with? Well, in this case, dare I say speak to yourself? Yes. Read loud? Yeah. Through the reading, do the reading, because you're going to have to do reading and you have to do writing. Those of you who are taking the translation courses, and even those who are not, can actually practice the translation. And if you don't want to read the textbooks and references that I have jotted down for you in the syllabi of the various courses, so be it. Read something else. Read something you like. What do you mean read something? Well, things that you're interested in. And should I be having a dictionary all the time? No, don't go to Google Translate all the time. You only go to Google Translate or to a dictionary to pick out a meaning of a word when you're stuck, when this word is redundant, when you're really lost, you feel that you were lost. So, just go ahead and practice. It's as simple as that. Read, write, listen, talk. That's how you practice anything. And so that, when I see you come August, you are not mentally out of shape, linguistically out of shape. You need to you need to translate all the time. You need to read all the time. You need to speak as much as you could, so as to practice the language that you have chosen to specialize in. Remember, I didn't slap you on the hand and say, okay, you're going to have to specialize in English. No, you chose that. And you're university students. Therefore, you are adult enough, mature enough to actually say, okay, well, I'm going to have to self-teach myself until the university resumes. Good luck. Stay safe. Stay home. Take care.